Think a signed consent form protects you in court? Think again. I'm Joshua Page, an associate at Miles, Fletcher & Gordon. Informed consent in healthcare is evolving and legal risks are growing. It's not enough to hand patients a generic form. The law requires you to disclose material risks. Those are risks that a reasonable patient in their position would find significant. Even with routine procedures, if you don't tailor the conversation to the patient's specific situation, your institution may be exposed. The best protection? Documentation. Not just a signed consent form, but a record of the actual conversation signed off by the patient to confirm understanding and disclosure. This approach shows, not just says, that informed consent was properly obtained. Generic forms without more are often insufficient. Let Miles, Fletcher & Gordon help you review your process, protect your practice, and reduce your legal exposure before a claim even arises.